Ah.
Hi guys, so there's a new update in Monkey's Place in like my second video. If you play Monkey's Place,
I'm gonna kick you if you say that one more time.
Go
Dude,
in the
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm a weird mom.
Go in.
I'm an Among Us.
Everybody, I'm Gandalf.
a new thing.
No, you're not. Shut up.
Oh, you're gonna get banned.
Gandalf.
There is a
I know what
special
Gandalf
map.
guys.
Sounds like
Special
I know
map, bro.
Gandalf sounds like. I've talked to him
It's
before on the Discord.
You have to go.
I've talked to him before on the Discord. I'm gonna kick this guy. He's annoying. He's annoying.
Go over here.
Me?
Guys, let's have a race in hypermap. Let's have a race in hypermap.
Wait, who are you kicking? Who are you kicking?
No, you have car monkey.
No. Okay.
It's
Well,
a glitch.
let's do that last.
It's not a glitch. It's called moderator.
Buggy.
Okay,
It's
not
not
called
called
moderator.
purple.
It's called
Purple.
me. 3,
Black nigga.
2,
Okay.
1, and
So
go.
then you have to go like over here.
Don't even, bro. You're the one that's saying that.
And so I already completed it.
I was
What the?
floating. I was floating.
Oh my god. Okay, we have to go over here.
Damn, I'm getting everything.
There you go.
People says,
Yes.
only for moderators? Really? Well,
Let's go to my
moderator.
favorite
I
level.
didn't get
Let's go to my
anything.
favorite level.
Bye, you're not a
Favorite level.
moderator.
I know you're not.
Not a moderator.
So you have to get all the
No.
coins and get to the castle thing.
83. You should.
Not really castle, actually.
Neither are you.
Bye, I'm a moderator. You're
I
not.
like English.
Ah,
No, you're not.
no, you are
It's
not.
against the rules to
You're not a moderator.
Damn. 14. Let me in.
Broke the
Let me
brick.
in, please.
Well,
Wait,
how do you not
oh.
know you're dumb?
I don't care if it's against the world. BMT. Wait,
Bro,
no, wait.
my name's
Is
not
it
VMT.
VMT is good, but he's not the best.
Yeah. Oh,
the
I got
hillbilly?
that.
Yeah, man.
Neither is
Because I'm the best.
Pig. TTT Pig is trash.
No. Oh,
Okay.
you sure about
Oh,
that?
you
Bro, I'm friends with Pig. I'm friends with Pig. I can get you
what did it
banned.
say?
I can get you banned. I'm friends with Pig.
You're not friends with
Yeah.
him.
Oh, yeah,
I am, I know
Pig is
him.
also a moderator.
I know him. I know him. I know him.
What? Y'all don't know my name, so what you gonna do now?
I'm level 4.
I
You
could
got
get
you
Pig
there.
to find your ID. Pretty
Hey,
simple.
guys, did you guys not read the
Bro,
rules that
I just went straight to the finish line.
did you guys not read the rules?
how you
The
gonna
creator of the
get
game can literally look at your past names.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No. They're talking about
Hey, wake
TTT
up.
Pig.
Wake up.
Yeah.
Bro,
Come on, wake up.
let me
We'll
finish.
try it.
Oh, and then you can do that. Like,
Oh, I see.
cool. Okay, now I'll show you. So like that, you have to like get to like that thing. Pretty cool. It's like my second video on Monkey's Place. Monkey's Place is a Gorilla Tag ripoff. Pretty fun. Best one. Better than Penguin Paradise. Better than Complusion. But we don't really know if it's better. It was enjoyable. Come on, bro. I don't have a long time. Okay. Hey. I'm gonna go download the game. Oh my! Wait. So stupid. Oh. Ah! Oh my god. It's gonna take long. Shoot. Go back on. Oh my god, what a glitch! Hey. Black glitch. Okay.
You do, Will?
Nike kicks.
Yeah, go on the sprints.
Do you want to play mini games?
And then Camille, go to
Do you
How do you
want
get
to
the car?
play
How do you
mini
get really fast? How do you go so fast?
You want to press by the Y and the X button. Do you see the trigger where it goes like where it clicks and then it can go fast?
What?
You do
Drop
it. You're
on.
so cool.
Go to
You're
this
doing
button.
it.
Whoa!
Okay. No, follow me.
I don't
Follow
have it
me. Get
anymore.
it?
Where are you?
Then
Coming for you.
come here. Then you
Oh,
want
yeah.
to press
Oh,
quit.
goodness,
Quit the game. Quit the whole game.
Oh,
Why?
bro, go fast.
That's
Fast and
how you get the
furious.
car, bro.
Bye.